First, we switch on the main shutter, fuse, and on-off switch. We have digital controller and thermal printer. Thermal printer on-off button is here. To change thermal paper inside, take this out. Put inside. Biraz aşağıdan çek istersen. Close the cover. Dur şu şeyi biraz dike. And on digital controller, we have 4 items in the main menu. First parameter, we can select the material, aggregate size 1.5 inch to 0.375 inch, and depending on the aggregate size, the weight of the sample is listed here. You can select by pressing these buttons. For example, aggregate size 1.5. And we save the parameter. And to the next step, we enter the initial weight of the sample, 4,000 grams, set temperature, heating speed, heating pace, and correction rate, and end of test timer. Also, we can enter these parameters. Here is our test page. Şuraya gel abi. Open the oven door, and we have weight scale here. Bak buraya şey çek. Okay. And we put the sample on the weight scale tray. Close the door. And then let's start. Also, system starts to heat the inside the oven up to desired set temperature. Also, here measuring the weight of the sample. Also, you can see the timer, the test duration, and inside temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit at the same time.